Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows just because they're a little time consuming. And now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in medium warm, and I'm gonna set it with my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Morphe 3503 eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to take that neon orange shade and put that all over my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell, you click all so you be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to take that purple shade and put that in my crease. Next, I'm using the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. Now I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni lashes. To make sure there's no gaps where I put my eyelashes, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. Okay, I already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to put this all the places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I'm just going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm using Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had the concealer at. Now I'm using Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440 as my all over face powder. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette. And I'm just going to take that top shade and use that for my blush. For highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter. I'm just going to take that middle shade and use that for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Crush. Now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this simple neon orange eyeshadow makeup look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. And everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Also, make sure that you all like, comment, and share. I would love to hear from you all. And if you have any ideas for makeup looks, let me know, and I will definitely do them. Anyway, I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Thank you all for watching. Bye.